జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. 321st నామం ఫ్రమ్ శ్రీ విష్ణు సహస్రనామం. ఓం ప్రథితాయ నమః. ఓ శ్రీమన్నారాయణ, ఇట్ ఈజ్ ఫేమస్, ఇట్ ఈజ్ వెల్ known. What is famous and what is well known? That your glow, your fame, your effulgence, your power, your supremacy is eternal and you never lose them, and it is spreaded all over the world. That is what famous. That is what famously established fact by all the Upanishad. O Srimannarayana, I surrender to your lotus-like divine feet. Om Pradhitaya Namaha. Om Pradhitaya Namaha. While meditating upon Srimannarayana, who is there within our own heart, let us sing the glory of Srimannarayana. Srimannarayana, Narayana, Narayana, Srimannarayana, Narayana, Narayana. In Sri Valmiki Ramayanam, Sri Ramachandra Swami is asking Bharata, "Oh Bharata, Krishna Jina Jatadharaha, why did you have to wear this Naravastras? I am unable to see you in this Naravastras. Pragruhya Balavat." Like that, Rama said to Bharata and hugged Bharata very tightly. Then Bharata is asking, "Oh Rama, oh my dear brother, because my mother Kaikamma said all the bad words to father Dasharatha Maharaju, father ended up sending you to the forest, but he was unable to bear the separation from you while crying for you. Oh my dear brother, our father Gataha Swargam Mahabahuhu Putra Sokabhipiditaha. Unable to bear that grief, he finally left to the heaven. Oh my dear brother, oh Parantapa, oh Rama, our father Dasharatha Maharaju heard only Kaikamma's words, and he did so much huge, big papam. Oh my dear brother, our father's fame is totally ruined because of my mother Kaikamma. Not only that, while sending you such a wonderful son, good son, Dasharatha Maharaju did a papam also. Papamidam Atma Yasoharam, sending you to the forest also is a papam. He did that. Why? My mother told him to do this. Oh my dear brother, after doing all this, after ruining all this, after causing such a huge disaster, do you think my mother Kaikamma is happy now? No, she did not get everything that she wanted. She did not get kingdom. She lost her husband, and she would definitely go to Narakam. Oh my dear brother, because of my mother Kaikamma, I also lost my good name. I also lost my fame. But oh Rama, oh my dear brother, don't think that I am the son of Kaikamma. Don't think that I too carries the same mindset. Oh my dear brother, no, I do not. Me dasabhutasya, I am your servant. I would like to be your servant forever. Prasadam kartumarhasi. Please show your compassion on me. Oh my dear brother, abhishinchasvacha adyaiva rajyenam. You please come back to kingdom Ayodhya. Just like Devendra to the Swargam, you also please get Pattabhishekam done. Oh Rama, all these people, all our mothers, all the army, all the ministers, we all came here only to beg this. Oh Rama, prasadam kartumarhasi. Please show compassion on every one of us. Oh Rama, if we look at the age, you are the eldest one. If we look at the power, you are the most powerful man. If we look at the bravery, you are the most bravery person. In every aspect and respect, you definitely deserve to rule the kingdom Ayodhya. Not only that, in very righteous way, the entire kingdom belongs to you. That is why, Ho Rama, Sakama, Suhrudaha, Kuru. That is why we all came, and all your best friends also came to beg you this. Please do not reject your friend's wish. Ho Rama, prasadam kartumarhasi. Please show compassion on each and every one of us. Ho Rama, if you do not take care of this earth as and how, when husband is lost, the mother, the woman goes through so much pain. So also, if you do not rule the kingdom, if you do not rule this earth also, Bhudevi also goes through the same pain. Ho Rama, Sirasa Yachito Maya, with all these mantri, ministers and all the citizens and acharyas, I am bowing my head to your divine feet and begging this. Ho Rama, I am your brother. As a brother I am asking you, please prasadam kartumarhasi, show compassion on me. Ho Rama, I am your disciple. As a disciple, I am begging you this. Prasadam kartumarhasi. Please show compassion on me. Ho Rama, I am your servant. As a servant, I am begging you this. Please, prasadam kartumarhasi. Show compassion on me. Ho Rama, this many people came here to ask this. Please do not reject all of us. Na atikramitum arhasi. Please don't say no to us. Like that, Bharata, while begging Rama, while crying, Sabashpaha, Kaikeyi Sutaha, while moving to tears, Ramasya Sirasapadau Jagraha. Bharata kept his head on the feet of Rama and crying and begging. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. With meditation upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. 35th sloka from Sri Vishnu Sahasranamam. Achyutaha Pradhitaha Pranaha Pranado Vasavanujaha Apamnidhihi Adhishtanam అప్రమత్తః ప్రతిష్ఠితః. ఓం సర్వం శ్రీకృష్ణార్పణమస్తు. జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. December 25th, it is Gita Jayanti, Bhagavata Jayanti, Sri Vaikuntha Ekadasi. On that festival, divine occasion, let us all collectively join our Gattus Karishye Vachanam Tava live program exactly at 10 a.m. according to America Central Time, 9:30 p.m. according to Bharat time, and then we will have a great darshanam of Sri Krishna Paramatma, who is born in North India, Mathura, in the same jail where Krishna Paramatma was born in Dwapara Yugam. We will get a Sri Krishna Paramatma's darshanam as Vaikuntha Dwara darshanam, as Uttara Dwara darshanam, and then we can do our Narayanastra slokas, by which we will be able to do huge amount of Ramayana, Bhagavad Gita, Vishnu Sahasranama Parayana, and by which every one of the participant will be hugely benefited. And then we will give a word to Sri Krishna Paramatma, saying that Krishna, I shall do according to you. And let us make Krishna Paramatma happy, and in return we can fill up all our life's happiness, and we can impart those happiest vibrations to the entire world. Please request all your friends and family members and relatives, all your known acharyas, priests, pandits, everyone, Archakas, please ask all of them to join, so that we all will be able to get a huge amount of benefit on that very, very great, unique combination of festival day. Please do not forget, mark your calendar and join us on that day. Jai Srimannarayana. Om Pradhitaya Namaha. Om Pradhitaya Namaha. Om Pradhitaya Namaha.